youngest child is now 14 years old, and since she's a teenager now, she wants to redecorate her room. And a big part of this redecoration is to trim down the desk in her room. A couple of years ago, I built her a desk to accommodate a gaming computer that her dad had built her for Christmas. And this thing was huge. It was 8 feet long, and it took up a huge space in her room, and you couldn't really move it anywhere, so it makes redecorating a little bit difficult. So I agreed that this thing could be made a little bit smaller, and since I was the one that built it in the first place, I knew exactly how to do it. But the first thing I had to do was start dismantling it inside her room because it was too big to fit through the door and down the hallway. I really only had to cut the top of the table down, so I measured 13 inches from both sides before I took it apart and then did my cutting. Now, one thing that I didn't do that I wish I had done was put a piece of masking tape along the line that I was cutting with the circular saw on this tabletop so that it would hopefully prevent some of the chipping on the side. But live and learn, I guess. Now, another thing that she had asked was if we could make this desk darker than that just, natural wood yellow color. And we talked it over and decided to try some black stain. Now, when I had originally built this, I put several coats of clear varnish on it. So I sanded the ever-loving crap out of this thing. The stain started off as a good idea, but then I realized that part of this desk is made of pine and the rest of it is made of birch. And this top to this desk did not accept that stain at all. So we did resort to painting it. Now, I know there's some people out there who are going to tell me that it was a mistake to use plain old spray paint on this, but I did coat it with several layers of clear varnish in order to protect it. During the time we were waiting for things to dry, we did a few other things in the room to update it, like painting the walls, changing out the light fixture, shopping around for some new bedding, and Lily customized her outlet covers, 'cause why not? And now I get the pleasure of trying to fit this thing back together. All right. One, two, three. See, not so bad. No.